Oh, GTR! I love GTR! What's happening, guys? We hopping straight into this video. No BS, no clickbait, no waiting. We are gonna see what this thing puts down on the dyno. I guess our dyno here at the shop, you could say it's kind of like a heartbreaker dyno. It's a dyno pack, maybe reads 10-15% lower than some other dynos. Every dyno is going to be different, but as far as what this dyno reads, it's pretty true to number based on, you know, how many cars we've done and what cars make. So real curious to see what this GTR is going to make on the dyno. Oh, this is a Master Knight. Oh. Like I said, this car doesn't have the stock turbos that come in the premium. The Nismo does come with slightly bigger turbos from the factory. Oh, I finally have GTR with the red tack.
Oh, you win. You win. I give up.
No. You still beat me. You still beat me with 100 octane. Alright, so my prediction, what I will put down, I'm going to say around 520, I think. 520 to the wheel. That's my prediction. So we gonna see. For sure it has to break 500. For sure. We put, I think it was a stock 14 on here and it made 475 stock, so. Damn it. I have to get these recoated. I need nail polish, master.
Truck studs.
Guys, look at this. I just discovered some crazy shit. What the? Is that carbon fiber? Got some unnecessary carbon on this car. I like it. This is precisely what I want. Carbon that I didn't know about? Shit, where else? They got some more carbon on here somewhere. Bet you I got carbon Cadillac converters. So let's see what this thing makes. Like I said, I'm not doing any tuning, nothing like that. We're simply just seeing what it's gonna make. So probably 4 pulls at the most. I think after the second or third pull, you get a pretty accurate reading. Oh man, that stock exhaust gotta go, bruh. We can't do that. I mean, it still sounds good, but it's puny. Yeah. Yes, you look great in there.
I'll take it.
Straight trade for yours. Just doing a quick calibrate. Look at this, guys. Holy shit. See with that second number. Yeah, pretty consistent. Yes. Consistency. That's very impressive. Very, very impressive. I told you guys that this car felt a lot faster than the stock one, for sure. Gonna let the Master Knights drive the Nismo. I want to feel how it feels anyways in the passenger seat. Camera died, so we use an iPhone, boys.
She'll wait her.
Needs to be fixed.
Yes, I'll fix this. So quiet. Is it not? Yeah, it is.
It's quiet as hell.
Yeah, it's way stiffer than mine. Your car too.
Yes. Boost weather!
It is. I'm gonna go home and pick up mine and start driving.
Like, fuck that. Goddamn, sounds like a stock motorcycle.
let's do
What are your impressions of the stock Nismo?
to be honest, it's way faster than like a premium model. Yeah, I'll probably beat you still, but honestly, probably buy like a car or something.
Yes.
I hate you. I'm jealous.
Beat me.
I'm jealous, but I love you still.
You're gonna detune it.
Yeah.
For the first race.
I know. I'm putting the wrong map. I'm gonna give it to you in the wrong map. It's for clout.
Oh, shit is sick. I can't wait to take the wrap off. Honestly. Yes.
I'm gonna have to look for Nismo now.
Watch this bastard by 2021.
I might.
It literally made 80 wheel more horsepower than a premium. Slightly bigger turbos, and it's about like 3 more pounds of boost. So that's crazy. There's a guy walking. Didn't see you, bro. Sorry. How goddamn big this car is. I'm so used to parking the Z in here. We did it, man. I want to thank you guys for your support. This is crazy. 2013, man. That was my first car right there. Crazy. It's crazy, guys. Still mind blowing. Like, I don't know. Today honestly felt like a dream. Like, I'm gonna have to sleep on this and just wake up in the morning and come to the garage, and yeah, this is gonna be crazy. Sheesh. I did it, man. I freaking did it.